Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to fix your JBL Tune Beam earbuds if they are stuck in mono mode. First, place both earbuds inside the charging case. Make sure the case lid stays open during the next steps. This is important because the earbuds need to be in the active state to reset. Next, go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone or device. Find the JBL Tune Beam in your list of paired devices and select Forget or Remove. With both earbuds still in the open case, tap the touch sensor on one earbud twice. After the double tap, press and hold the sensor for 5 to 10 seconds. You should see the LED on the earbud flash. This flash means the earbuds have been successfully reset. Once the LED flashes, close the case and wait for 30 seconds. This allows the earbuds to fully power down and complete the reset process. After 30 seconds, take both earbuds out of the case at the same time. Turn on Bluetooth on your device and pair the earbuds as a new connection. Make sure both earbuds connect and play sound. If they do, your JBL Tune Beam should now work in stereo mode instead of mono mode. Thanks for watching.